Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can add an image to your goal in Timestripe. So first choose your goal, for example go to days, and here I have homework, click on it, and here you have photo button, click on it, and here you have three options. Take a photo, photo library, and choose file. I will choose this photo library option and choose this flower, then click OK, and here you have a photo to your goal. So that's all. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.